Hey, good day, Hyder. Welcome in my video, my weblog video around the recent announcements that we did when Microsoft last week on July 21st released the public preview of Universal Print. So the short version here is that we as YSoft introduced two integrations with Universal Print, one with our flagship product SAFEQ. So SAFEQ can now be used with Universal Print free of charge, and it will make an on-ramp, so driverless printing directly from your Windows 10 PC using Universal Print going into SAFEQ. So that's great. And the other thing is we also launched a new product for everyone who doesn't need print management. So if you still want to use the Universal Print, if you want to go for cloud printing with your existing printer, you can buy our OMNI Series product, the newly launched OMNI Series product, and it will attach your printer directly to the cloud, and you can start to use Universal Print. So that's the short version, Hyder. Hyder, maybe you can say a few words about our SAFEQ integration. We've worked a long time with Microsoft. Now it's ready, it's available. What is it about?
Good day, Wouter. YSoft has been working with Microsoft for quite some time now. Our R&D has been working hard to develop this unique offer. It basically fully supports and integrates with the Universal Print offering, and it's built on standards such as IPP everywhere. So, and again, it's built on top of Microsoft Graph API. It is integrated with SAFEQ now. It has availability features such as failover, active-active load balancing, and it provides these additional value add for our customers. Universal Print integrates with SAFEQ. It actually enhances the existing solution for our customers, so adding additional value to our existing customers. So again, just to reiterate, multi-vendor platform. It supports for cloud deployments, on-premises, edge, hybrid deployments. It supports multiple operating systems from our perspective.
Great. So that's a great achievement that we did that together with Microsoft, launching that. It is available for everyone who's interested having SAFEQ, or if you don't have SAFEQ and maybe you're interested in the full package, you contact your reseller, and we will start to help you get this up and running. So, it's ready for production. Even that the product of Microsoft is in public preview, you can start to roll with it. But, for real, let's say, production printing, maybe you want to wait to GA. What's your opinion about that, Hyder?
100%, Wouter. We are ready to go. Any of our existing customers or any new customers who would like to use the Microsoft Universal Print along with SAFEQ, they just contact us and they let us know they're ready to go, and we will call them and we will basically set this whole thing up for them. It's an experience that they would like to go through.
So you don't want to play around with it. You get for production immediately, semi-production to get going, and then you can get used to it for the next couple of months.
Absolutely.
And now the OMNI Series. So we have introduced a new product called YSoft OMNI Series. What's that about, Hyder?
So the YSoft OMNI Series, we've got the OMNI Bridge and the YSoft OMNI UP365. So essentially what we're doing is any network printer is instantly Universal Print compatible without requiring a local or a remote Windows computer or a Windows Server machine. The OMNI Series eliminates the need to manage the printer, drivers and install printers, and print queues on Windows servers or workstation. So essentially, it's built on platforms such as Zero Infrastructure, Zero Trust Network Security, and Zero IT, as in print and IT know-how. Printing is simply available to users in seconds. Again, it's a true serverless edge device. When I'm talking about true serverless, it is true serverless. There's no servers involved.
So from a practical point, let's say there's a customer who has a company with 50 people. They have like 3 floors. On every floor, there's a printer, and they want the printers to be cloud ready, cloud printing. they would buy one OmniBridge, install it somewhere near their modem. It doesn't need an AC room or server room or whatever. You can get rid of your print server. And then those 3 printers will work directly on the LAN with this box, connecting it up to the Universal Print.
Absolutely, Wouter. So you can install it anywhere you like, and perhaps even behind a printer. Who knows? Wherever suits the customers.
Okay.
And as I said before, it's a serverless edge device. It connects the existing network printers to the cloud. When I say network printers, so the value here is all the traditional network printers which are not really cloud ready, we are instantly making them cloud ready.
Okay.
Absolutely nothing required.
Yeah. So imagine, I'm in that office and I want to print to the printer on the second floor. I do Control P, I print. Okay. Now I'm going home. In this COVID situation, maybe I don't want to be in the office. I'm in my home office. So I take that same laptop with me, notebook, and I go to home. I do Control P. I can still print to the office because the flow is going to the cloud and to the printer. And is that secure?
That is 100% correct.
Is that secure?
That is 100% correct. And absolutely, it comes out in the office.
Okay. And how is that security done then? From my Windows 10 PC at home, on my home network, I do Control P. How can that be secure, transported to the office?
So in the back end, what happens is Microsoft for Universal Print, when you sign up for Universal Print with the preview, you will basically be you will get a print key which is downloaded directly to your Windows 10 PC, and the job is transferred encrypted to the Microsoft cloud, and from there on, the OmniBridge is pulling the job directly into the office, and that is all encrypted end to end.
Okay, now let's take it like this. So I want my printer at home. And I take this OmniBridge also at home, but I'm still using the company account to set it up. So I have my printer at home. I have this OmniBridge with the UP365 also at home. And we have it in the office, both. Then I can print to my home printer. It's going via the cloud, even that I'm sitting next to the printer. But also my colleagues can print on my printer if they are allowed to.
Absolutely, Wouter. You said it 100%. You've covered that end to end. So it not only can be used at office. You can take that device home, and once configured, it's again zero configuration. Very, very simple stuff. It can print to your home printer as long as it's a network connected printer.
So even that when we started to develop this product, there was no COVID knowledge, because it was before COVID that we started to develop this. But in this COVID era, we can use this to really print to the office or print at home. It doesn't matter. Any printer that has an internet connection, let's say a LAN, and we can have this OmniBridge with the UP365 running on it. It can securely print from anywhere by anyone who has the rights, of course, to print to it.
That's absolutely right, Wouter. It has multiple use cases, whether you're in office, whether you're in home, you can print wherever you want.
So to recap, we have our flagship product, SAFEQ, that is print management, where you walk up to a printer, swipe your badge, you get your print. That's what people are used to with SAFEQ. Full reporting, rule-based engine, everything we know is there. And now we added Universal Print to it. So we can use that as an on-ramp to do driverless printing securely from anywhere in the world. You can print directly to your SAFEQ if you have the rights to do so. That's free of charge. It's available now. Customers call their reseller. We will set it up for them, and they can start working with it from tomorrow. That's one.
That's
and
correct.
The other one is the OMNI Series. That the OMNI Series is existing from a piece of hardware called the OmniBridge and the software called the UP365. That bundle makes any legacy printer, a current printer that doesn't support Universal Print natively, we can make that printer Universal Print. So you don't have the print management. part, but you can print. You can do the print, the cloud printing.
100% right, Wouter.
Thank you very much, Hyder, for explaining this to us. Exciting times, and hope to talk to you in our next blog.
Thank you, Wouter. I'm looking forward to showcase this to our customers.
Thanks, Hyder. Bye.